Hey guys, it's Marrow. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I make $20 to $43 every single day on YouTube for free, and I'm going to share with you exactly step by step on how you can do it too. Now, if you're looking for a video on how you can make money doing absolutely nothing, this is not the video. I want to share with you how you can build a long-term sustainable business with YouTube and be making money every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, we're going to talk about how I make $20 to $43 a day on YouTube for free. Now you might be saying, wow, that's not that much money. And it isn't that much money, but it keeps increasing over time the more you do this. And here's another thing that I want to mention is that I learned a long time ago from a $1 million mentor, be grateful for every single penny that you have and you will get more. Because a lot of people just think they have to make tons of money. Well, when you make a little bit each day on YouTube, it definitely adds up. I don't know about you, but $600 to $700 a month is a good amount of money that can pay for some car payments or whatever you want to use it for. So this again can increase over time, definitely, because I know people who are making hundreds of dollars a day on YouTube, and this is through Google AdSense. And that's where you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers within a 12-month period, and you can apply for the AdSense program, and that's where people click on ads on your videos. So why do I love YouTube? First of all, it's a search engine. A lot of people find me on YouTube. That's majority of where people find me. If we go to an incognito window here, you'll see if we search some of my reviews, like OPM Wealth Review. This is a new program out there. I'm ranking #1 for that. Six-figure partner program review. I'm also ranking #1 for that. Influencers earn review. This is another one that I'm ranking. This is an ad here. Ranking #1. I have over 5,000 views on that. So that's one way that people can find you is through the search engines on YouTube, because it is the second largest search engine under Google. But another way is that you're going to show up in the suggested videos, and I'm going to show you how you're going to do that, because you don't even need to show up in the search. But the other thing I love about YouTube is it converts very, very well, and you can build a relationship with people because they kind of know you because they've seen your videos, and it's just a lot better than the written word. You can solve other people's problems, and that's how you can get in front of people. And with the method I'm going to show you, you don't have to recruit anyone. A lot of people don't like to try to go out and sell, but this method, you don't have to do that, because again, you're making money when people click on ads. And just the other day, yesterday actually was my best day on Google AdSense, and I think I was getting like anywhere from 23 cents to 26 cents a click, depending on what the keyword is that you're ranking for. And this is money that can come in every single day on autopilot. I think a lot of people have a lack mentality because they're not making any sales. But when you have money coming in every day through Google AdSense, you feel prosperous. You feel like at least you're making some money. So I really like that, and anyone can do it. You can learn this technique. It doesn't matter your background. Anybody can do this. It works in any part of the world. And you can get, like I said, views from large channels by showing up in the suggested video section, by modeling after their videos, and it's completely free. You just have to put the work in. And that's what I find a lot of people don't want to do, is they don't want to put the work in. But I told myself a long time ago, I'm going to put the work in because I know that it'll pay off. And like I said, I know people who are making hundreds of dollars a day just by people clicking on their ads in their YouTube videos. In fact, one YouTuber, Freedom Influencer, Nathan Lucas, I remember watching a video quite a while ago, and he was talking about his AdSense revenue, and that month he made $10,000 just by people clicking on his ads. And he used this method to start out with, and he does a little bit his own videos now, but he started out with this method when he started back a few years ago. So the method is we're going to model after videos that are already getting views. And I think this is a mistake a lot of people make, and I myself, I would just make up things thinking, okay, this is a good keyword, I'm going to make this video, but you actually want to model after videos that are getting views already. So I'm transitioning to that, and things are working out a lot better for me. But it's the learn, do, teach method that you learn something, you're going to teach it, and I promise you, you will get better. If you look at anybody's channel, like Freedom Influencer, if you go way back to his first videos, people are just not that good in their videos. It's just part of learning. And you can look at anyone's channel and they just get better and better and better the more that they do it. So don't worry about that you're not that good at the beginning. It's going to take you a little while to get the hang of it, but the way that I did it is I just jumped in and I was like, well, I'm just going to do the best I can. If somebody makes a mean comment, that's okay. They just don't really understand it, you know, how to treat other people. But anyway, just keep doing it and you'll get better. So the method that we're going to do is we're going to go to YouTube and search channels in your niche. So let's just use affiliate marketing for an example. We're going to go over to the YouTube search engine here, and we're going to type in affiliate marketing. And we're going to look at channels that are based around affiliate marketing. So if we go to the filter here, we can click on channel. And these are going to be channels that you want to write down, that you're going to look at their videos and see which ones are the most popular videos. And there's a couple different ways you can do that. I'll show you here in a minute. But we can scroll down here and see all the different channels that are based around affiliate marketing. I'm going to click on Franklin Hatchett because I really like him. This here, when I can look at his stats, like he's getting 11,000 subscribers a month and trending. You can see this is the first strategy, is look at their trending videos. Now this right here is called vidIQ. So if you go to Google, it's free. If you go to Google and just type in vidIQ, you can see right here free sign up, and it's a Google Chrome extension. Just install it and you can get these stats right here. But you can see his trending videos, and those are videos that you can model around. You're going to model around the actual video, what's in it, the title, the tags, and also you can model after the thumbnails, because obviously that's working. This one right here, 4 months ago, he's still getting 97 views per hour. So we could take the title of this video and we're going to put that in the search engine. And you will see that other people have modeled. He's either modeling after other people's videos or they're modeling after his. But if we put it in the search engine, we can see this. This is a video that gets a lot of searches because it got him 466,000 views already. Let me see if I can copy and paste this the right way here. Okay, so if we look at that, then we can see other people have made videos around this same topic. This one's got 18,000 views. This is my mentor here, Joshua Elder, so he practices what he preaches. And this one's not quite as many, but you can see that they're actually using the exact same title. I would recommend maybe change it up a little bit. He's using the exact same title, so they did that around the same time. I'm not sure who modeled after who, but this one, for that title, there's just 3 videos. So what I would do is watch those 3 videos, not copy them exactly, but take notes on what they're talking about and see if you can make it your own, and then come up with a video that's similar in content, and then you would use the same title. Like I said, change it up a little bit, see what they're using for their thumbnails, and then you want to also model after their tags. So once you install vidIQ, you can come down here, scroll down on the right hand side, and see what their tags are, and you just copy and paste those into your video. See if we can go down here, right here. So you just click on the paperclip there, and it'll copy all of them to your clipboard, and then you just put them in your video tags or your video. And you can also see what they put in their description, because you want to put the keyword that you're ranking for in the title, in the description, at least 2 to 3 times. And if you look at my videos, you can see what keyword that I'm ranking for, and you'll see that I'll put it in there 2 to 3 times. And that's how you come up. But you don't have to show up in the search engine for a particular keyword. What's going to happen is, as you're modeling after these videos that are already getting a lot of views, you're going to show up in the suggested search on the right-hand side or in someone's playlist. And that's when YouTube starts to promote your video for you. And I know people who maybe months after they created a video, it went viral, and then they started making a lot of money. I think well, one of my mentors, she made $600 one day with Google AdSense, and that's because her video went viral. It got picked up in the searches, or on the suggested section. So once YouTube does that, you're good. So you're looking for trending videos in vidIQ. And also, let's go back here. What you can do is look at their most popular videos on their channel. And this is exactly what Nathan Lucas, Freedom Influencer, did, like I said, when he got started. And he has, I think, he's probably close to 400,000 subscribers now. So I have no idea what his AdSense revenue is, but I'm sure it's a lot. But he started just like everybody else. Just like everybody else. So affiliate marketing, we're going to go down. Let's look again at Franklin Hatchett. And some of the videos that are trending may also be in the most popular ones. So we're going to click on videos. And then we're going to sort by most popular. And let's see what his most popular one is 2.3 million views. Just 8 months ago, earned $300 by typing names online, available worldwide, make money online. And I'm sure other people have modeled after this video. But you can get like as many channels as you want, like maybe 100 channels if you wanted to, and look at all their popular videos. And some of them you may watch and say, oh, I can't really talk on this topic. That's okay. Try another one. You're going to find videos that you can talk on. And also, the more you do this, the better you get, the more you learn, and the more confident you become. So, again, you're going to look for the most popular titles. You're going to model after their title, their tags, and their video. And then you're going to have a call to action at the end of your video to your affiliate link. If you have an affiliate product that you want to promote, you can just say something at the end of your video and point them to the link in the video. So not only can you make money through Google AdSense, but I've made tens of thousands of dollars with this technique through affiliate marketing. And then my Google AdSense is just on top of that. So you can use that for advertising or whatever it is that you want to do. But this is just the money that I've made since the beginning of the year. And you can see it's averaged about $20, $25 a day. My best day actually was yesterday, was $43.64. And that was the one that the video that I said I was getting like 23 to 26 cents a click. So that's really good. For me, that was my best day, and second best day over here was like $42. But generally, it's a little, it's less than that. But it adds up. Definitely adds up. I think this month I'll probably be over $700. Last month I was like $642, I think, and that just keeps increasing over time. And like I said, have a call to action at the end of your video so you can make money through your affiliate link, and also build your email list. That's what you're wanting to do too, because people are getting to know, like, and trust you. They get on your email list, and they don't necessarily buy from you at the beginning. It's when they start to trust you. Just some tips for you: provide value and solve other people's problems. Don't worry about the money. And I learned that a long time ago from my mentor, Joshua Elder. He said that, and it's like it just takes the pressure off you, because everybody's out there trying to make money like right away. This is a long-term strategy. Imagine if you did this for 2 to 5 years, how much money you'd be making. So you could get out of your job Make sure that your thumbnails are good. I see a lot of people that have thumbnails that are not very good. I'm going to leave a link below to how to create thumbnails the right way. And when I started doing this, I saw a lot more traffic to my videos. And you want to make sure that your title is enticing as well. And it's kind of easy to do that because you're looking at titles that already are working. You can use free screen capture recording software like you just search that in Google, but Screencast-O-Matic is one that's really good. I use Camtasia, that's paid. I think it was about $200, something like that. Upload regularly if you can't do it daily, which gets hard to do after a while. I did that for a whole entire year. I uploaded daily. And then just things going on in my life, I had to do it like 2 to 3 times a week. Now I try every other day, but just have some sort of regular schedule that you post and do it even if you don't feel like doing it, because the payoffs are going to be huge. Keep going. Like I said, it may take a while, like 60 to 90 days before you get some traction, but the more you do this, the better you'll get, and it works. It absolutely works for every single person that does it regularly. You know, if you don't post like once a week or once a month, I don't think you're going to have that kind of results. But so I just wanted to share this with you guys because a lot of times people are like, I don't make any money, I can't make any money doing this program, and they're jumping around from program to program. And the thing is if you master one traffic source, then you can sell anything. And YouTube, in my eyes, is the best. I've had the best luck with it as far as making sales. You know, I've had sales on autopilot many days from YouTube, and that never happened before I used this traffic source. And you can build your email list. It's just a great way to create traffic. But then again, you don't have to even make any sales through affiliate marketing. You can make sales through Google AdSense. So I hope you guys found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you want more information like this, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. With that being said, this is Marrow signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.